If you're trying to decide between the Insta360 Luna Ultra and the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, here's a quick, honest comparison from actually looking at both. Insta360 brings the advantage of full 360 capture, which means you can reframe shots after recording. It also has strong stabilization and fun AI editing tools that make content creation easier. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro focuses more on simplicity and cinematic quality, with its built-in gimbal, giving you smoother traditional footage straight out of the camera. If you care about versatility and creative shooting, Insta360 might win for you. But if you want a more straightforward point and shoot experience, DJI feels more polished. Honestly, both are great, but it really depends on your style. I'd pick Insta360 for flexibility or DJI for simplicity. Either way, you can't go wrong. Also consider battery life, app experience, and how you plan to share your content, because those small differences can actually matter more in daily use for most creators out there today especially.